Welcome back to the Idle Engineer. Today I'm using Fusion 360 and Cura for the first time to make a 3D printed pen and ink holder. As a SOLIDWORKS user in school, I've never used Fusion 360 before, but the system is very intuitive. Using sketches to make extrusions and then cuts was very easy. Construction lines, in this case lines drawn on the solid body, made adding features much more precise. With sketch lines, extrusions, and the feature editor, this model came together quickly. There were some hiccups along the way, but nothing the delete button couldn't fix. Once done modeling, I exported the STL file and opened Cura to import the model for slicing. Since our printer wasn't preloaded in Cura, I used the menus to add the printer using the specifications from the manufacturer's website. Once all the details were uploaded, I opened up the model. Unfortunately, I modeled everything in standard units, so back to Fusion 360 to convert everything from inches to millimeters. Unlike SOLIDWORKS, this was a simple menu change. Now in Cura, with the model visible, I used the menus to rotate the model for the print orientation I wanted, which took some getting used to. Once oriented, I adjusted fill parameters and layer thickness, which had a direct effect on print time. More fill equals more plastic per layer. With everything dialed in at 20% fill, I exported the G-code and off to the printer. Here you can clearly see the fill lines. Since this is not a real load-bearing structure, I didn't need much fill. But keep in mind the use case when choosing your print parameters. This print happened to finish overnight, so I had to preheat the print bed to remove the print. I could have waited a bit longer to make things a little easier. We were going to do some test spraying with our airbrush, but we had some technical issues, so we broke out the silver spray paint after sanding down the edges. I also sprayed the test print cat with the textured spray paint, going for a stone-like look, and it turned out well. The paint filled in the gaps and gave it a nice textured finish. This is a quick model to CAD, but it turned out better than expected and holds ink and a couple fountain pens like a champ. Thanks for watching. Find us on Instagram and be sure to subscribe for future videos.